Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Fall is finally here. Have you been trying to think of a way to bring fall into your home? Do you drink coffee or tea? Well, how about set up a station? A coffee station, a beverage station, or a tea station, whatever. Stick around and I'm going to show you how I have put this beautifully decorated coffee bar together. Now, I'm a coffee drinker. How about you? Even if you're not, then hopefully this will motivate or inspire you to create your own station, one that you can use in your home to greet your guests as they come over for the fall. All right, guys, if this interests you, then keep watching this video as I welcome you into my home as I am your lovely host, Gigi Faison. Come on in and let's have a cup of joe together. I've got mine started. Go ahead and get yours. I'll wait for you, I promise. So we're going to start here in the upper cabinet over the station that I created below. So I've added a little lighting for the ambiance here, and I've positioned these plates here at the top. You will see this is beautifully styled. Added in a few of these sequin pumpkins, and we've added in some of these crystal-like pumpkins here, all in order to beautify this space above the existing coffee station. Now, this is a space that I've created here to use as my coffee station. Added in here this gorgeous pumpkin as we bring our eyes on down, a few nuts and just little delicate pieces here to fill in this space. Put in a little of these are the baby's breast here. These are some that I've had, and they are still lasting, still looking good. So for that pop of color, I just added those right there. So then we will bring our eyes on down. So we turn on the coffee. Here's my coffees, and I love the cafe McDonald's. Those there. Then, you know, this is my favorite, the French vanilla International Delight creamers. So I usually have those stashed here. And in these little canisters, I have some pumpkin spice. I have a few cookies in here. And then I have some cinnamon. Now with that cookie deal, since I put this together, all of my cookies are gone. So hold on a minute, guys. Let me refill my cookie stash. So these are the cookies that I have here at the station, and these are so good with a cup of coffee. And these are some that I picked up from TJ Maxx. When I say these are delicious, yes, they are with a cup of coffee. So now let's go on over into here, and these little canisters here, these I purchased from Tea. Absolutely beautiful. And I have in here some tea. I like a cup of tea every now and again. And in this smaller one, I have my utensils for lifting the cookie. And then I have the little spoon stirrers for the coffee. Specialty syrups here. And here I have my cinnamon and sugar. Sometimes I want to jazz the coffee up. And I have all of this. I have the Encyclopedia of Coffee. This is a little book that I placed here. Also, this is another little book that I decided to place here at the coffee station just to lift up this tray here and just to bring a little color and stuff. Over here, I've added my little coffee cups here, some little signage and things that I purchased from Amazon. Also underneath here, I have my spoons to stir, the flavored spoons. And so I placed those there. So guys, this makes up my coffee station, cozy and comfortable for 2024. Again, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and you love anything dealing with decorating your home, whether it's on the outside or on the inside, then you're at the right place. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap that notification bell twice. Hopefully I've inspired you to, if you don't already have a coffee station, then go ahead and create one. It doesn't take much to do so. And if you have one, hopefully this is going to either motivate you or inspire you to go ahead and get yours ready for the fall. It's a nice little section, so when family and friends come over, they already know that you have those little favorite treats. Now this, I usually set it up big time for Christmas. I have all the goodies, the hot cocoa and the apple cider, as well as coffee, especially for the grandkids. They come looking for their candies. But this time of the year, it's usually just hubby and I, so I set it up just so that we can enjoy those things that we like. So guys, I'm gonna let you continue to view the rest of this video through the music that will be playing. So just sit back and continue to watch. And again, I welcome you here. Now this coffee bar sign, it says Coffee Bar, Love is Brewing. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, and they had the, I think it was either 40 or 50% off sale. And so that's where I purchased this from. But you know, I use some of the colors that I'm using throughout the home to complete this space here so that you'll eventually see that everything is working together. But again, hopefully this will inspire you to either create your coffee station or to motivate you to go ahead and get one started. So guys, continue to enjoy the rest of the video to music. But before I leave, I want to say thanks to those of you that continue to show me so much love and support. And for those of you that are new, I want to say welcome. And I hope that you'll feel right at home enough to always come back and have a cup of coffee with me as I decorate for you. Also, if you need more inspiration for fall decorating, check out my fireplace mantle and hearth video that will be linked in the iCards above, and also a coffee table styling video that would also be linked. Now don't forget, turn that bell on, guys, so you don't miss out the rest of the videos. I have more fall videos to come and you don't want to miss out. Be blessed, guys. Thanks a bunch.